So, regarding the origin and development of public interest litigation, we will discuss about the legal aid offices of United States of America, which were established in 1876. So, public interest litigation finds its origin in the United States of America. The various movements and programs that contributed to the shaping of underlying ideology of public interest law date back to 1876, where the first legal aid office was established in New York City. The legal aid movement initially to ease the transition of European immigrants to the United States in late 19th century. Public interest offices were opened in early 1890s. PIL activities started with the following and finding of National Association for the Advancement of Colored People in 1909. So, the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People in 1919, in most important of its movements, the victory was in 1954 in United States Supreme Court decision, and that was in Brown versus Board of Educational of Topeka, Kansas, where another early voluntary organization was the American Civil Liberties Union in 1920, and in early 1960 it was Ralph Nader formed a number of public interest organizations, and in early 1970s the Ford Foundation began to provide funding for voluntary public interest litigation firms in large scope. By the end of 1975, the universe of public interest litigation had expanded so that its spectrum of issues had come into include consumer protection, environmental protection, land and energy use, occupational health and safety, health care, corporate responsibility, education reform, tax reform, employment benefits, etc. This trust of public interest litigation in United States of America has been to ensure that citizens whose lives may be affected by governmental policies have a right to participate in formulation of those principles and policies. So, in our next video, we would like to discuss the very development of public interest litigation in Indian perspectives.